Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am, will present my paper research in the title, The Effectiveness Integration of PLS SAM Web Application to Assess Career Decision Self-Efficacy, Entrepreneurial Self-Efficacy, and Career Future Perspective Time. By me, Tri Rahayuningsih, from Department of Psychology, Medical Faculty, Universitas Andalas. For introduction, in the case during the COVID-19 pandemic, there is the possibility of sudden job change, includes unemployment with broader social change. For some, the negative career shock caused by COVID-19 can present opportunities for changing work arrangement, career development, and skills upgrading. Career options such as entrepreneurship have increasingly become a viable vocational choice in today's labor market. The student's decision to pursue an entrepreneurial career requires the mediation of adaptive behavior based on the exploration of entrepreneurial activities and strategies to overcome the challenge of transitioning to entrepreneurship or the work field. The background of problem this research. Career Time Perspective program previously have been successful among students and have been found to increase career planning, enhance optimistic feelings about the future, and improve career decision. Career decision-making behavior may contribute to future career decision with other expected outcomes, specifically that of long-term entrepreneurial result, in which some of the outcomes identified in the literature on entrepreneurship could be incorporated. Entrepreneurial self-efficacy, or ESE, which refers to an individual's belief in his or her capability to perform tasks and roles aimed at entrepreneurial outcomes, plays a crucial role in determining whether individuals pursue entrepreneurial careers and engage in entrepreneurial behavior. And Career Future Perspective Time, or CFPT and ESE, should be owned by a student who planned career in entrepreneur and then made a career decision. These situations are related to CFPT and ESE relevant for the career decision-making process among students who have started a career in entrepreneurship to be more confident in making career decisions. This literature review of career decision self-efficacy, or CDSE, is how individuals behave can often be better predicted by their beliefs about their capabilities rather than by their actual capabilities and about their capacity to undertake the necessary tasks associated with making career decisions. The competencies measurement of CDSE relate to developing an accurate self-appraisal, gathering occupational information, goal selection, making plans for the future, and problem solving. Future time perspective-based career intervention led to an increase in scores on CDSE. Individuals will generate alternative, reality-based goals and evaluate potential barriers and challenge in addition to weighing the predicted beneficial consequence against long-term cost estimates. The concept of self-efficacy in entrepreneurship is not about the content or style of individual decision-making, but refers to the individual's confidence in his ability to make appropriate career decisions in the field of entrepreneurship. Measurement in relation to entrepreneurial activity in a more mainstream organizational context outside of venture setting and in the context of entrepreneurial career management, like whether one feels confident managing one's career dues in an uncertain and risky environment. Our method to collect data, the study used a self-administered questionnaire and analyzed the data using PLS SAM. We conducted a survey by purposive sampling, items from the three CDSE, ESE, and CFPT instruments were scored on a 5-point Likert scale. This data collection process yielded 113 responses that could be used in statistical analysis to assess the validity of the CDSE, ESE, and CFPT factors using the confirmatory factor analysis method. The convergent validity and discriminant validity test showed the three of scale used in this study was reliable and valid. So this data useful as input in knowledge database in expert system and using web application, we called it WebSEA for measurement. After testing the validity of the factors, the study examined the relationship between CFPT, ESE, and CDSE among students who have started a business at Andalas University using PLSM. Forward chaining method presented in the second study to explain the application of expert system and to obtain impact of CFPT and ESE in analysis of CDSE through survey to enterprise students with number sampling of 310. So this result from our research. Our research has produced a software, it called WebSEA. This main view of the website and display of result. We could have conclusion. Output from dashboard above could be downloaded in Excel file and analyzed statistically, continue using software PLSM. The structure equation modeling support our hypothesis with p-value less 0.005. R-square 0.551, that means 55.1% of variance in career decision self-efficacy determined by exogenous variable like career future perspective time and entrepreneurial self-efficacy. So, career decision-making self-efficacy is needed by adolescents to accomplish tasks in career decision-making. Individuals with higher career decision-making self-efficacy would be successful in making the right decision for themselves. Self-efficacy can improve career decision-making over time, also by providing career course intervention. This web application, WebSEA, made for measurement effectively could analyze individual categorization of result ranks from low to high score. PLSM showed validation of scales and best fit statistically for this study. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.